Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the part 3 of my clean and decorate. We are going to be decorating the rest of my upstairs, and I'm really excited for you guys to see this video and see how everything turned out. So the first thing we are going to do is go ahead and wash our new sheets. These are some nice flannel sheets just to get the bed more cozy and warm this winter. And I will be doing a home tour later on this week, so I will be going more in depth on all of the prices and where I got all of our home decor throughout our house. You guys, the 7th generation laundry detergent with the fireworks gain is my favorite mix. It leaves everything smelling amazing for weeks. I would love to know what you guys use in your laundry when you wash your clothes, so please comment down below. I'd love to hear the different products out there and the different scents. Recently in my last video, you guys gave me so many ideas of new cleaning products to try out, and I actually went and picked up a few and I share that in my video, just some new products and some new scents that I haven't used before, so stay tuned for that. So if you are an OG subscriber, you already know that I have a problem with socks. So this is our sock collection. So every time I do a load of laundry, I just go ahead and go through this little red 10 and see if anything matches. And I'm trying to minimize my lost socks here. I'm trying to get down to the wire and get everything paired up. So that is what I'm doing here. So I do want to thank the amazing subscribers that told me about this wonderful scent by Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. I did not know it was out. It is the Snowdrop scent, and I bought the dish soap and the multi-surface cleaner, and you guys, it is my favorite scent ever. Like, I love it as much as I love that Caldrea spray. It is amazing. So I'm definitely going to be stocking up this winter so I can have this scent for many months to come. So I had my little helper here, and she was already folding when I came into the room, and also my husband started folding this huge load of laundry that we had sitting next to our bed. So I am so grateful for that because that really helped me out today in just getting everything done. So I will be starting a new series coming up called the Home Refresh series, and I'm so excited about it because we are going to refresh so many areas of my home. We're going to declutter, reorganize, redecorate some different areas and spaces. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff here, so I hope you guys stay tuned for that. If you are new, please subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you guys don't miss that new series. If you guys have any special requests for that series, please let me know in the comments. I'm going to be, picking up some new stuff for the house that's going to give it a refreshed look and just kind of decluttering and reorganizing all of the areas in our home. So I'm really excited for this series, and I hope you guys are too. So it is sad to go ahead and put away the fall decor for the year, but it is time to move on and get all of the decor packed away and bust out the Christmas holiday decor. Another product that is new today that I'm using is the Ever Spring Multi-Surface Cleaner. This is a non-toxic product. I did pick it up from Target and it smells amazing. It has all the pine and citrus smells. It reminds me of Washington State where I'm from, so I really, really liked it. I used it on all the mirrors today to kind of see how it works on glass, and I will keep you guys updated on how I'm liking it. If you guys have used this product before, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. These are the organizers that I picked up from IKEA. I haven't used them yet, but I will be including them in some organization videos coming very, very soon. I was just mentioning on my Instagram tonight how much I appreciate you guys, and I'm so thankful for you guys for commenting and showing me love on my videos. It really helps me know that you guys are enjoying them, and it just motivates me to keep creating videos. I do appreciate when you guys share my videos. Those are kind of just like a free and easy way to kind of help support your favorite creators. So if you guys could share this video, that would mean so much to me. And thank you guys for just being here and always commenting and saying hi and showing your support. So right here are some clothes that my husband had decluttered through his closet. He wanted to go ahead and donate them, so we are just bagging them up so we can go and drop them off. So I did just get this super cute laundry basket from Home Goods recently. If you guys are a OG subscriber, you know that we often just throw our dirty clothes on the floor here in the bathroom. So I did pick it up. I think it was $16. I left the tag on so I can share that with you guys, but it's super cute. And I'm really glad to finally have a laundry basket in here to catch all our dirty clothes. Once it's all the way full, then I will wash that load. So typically we keep Q-tips in this little empty mason jar. So during the video, my husband did go to Target and pick some up because he had to pick up a few things. So I was able to refill the jar by the end of the video because I was cleaning all day. So I am going in with my 7th generation disinfecting wipes and also my Clorox toilet wand that I have been loving lately, and just wiping the toilet, the walls, and the floor. So today I'm just going to go ahead and sweep the floor. I did not mop because I wanted to continue with the video and start decorating because the day was going by fast. So that is what I'm doing here. So you are going to be seeing me style the spaces a few different ways until I figure out exactly how I want to decorate that space. So bear with me. We do come to a conclusion on how I want it to look at the end.
And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday.
Just in case you didn't know, I do share a comment of the day at the end of all of my videos. I will feature one of your guys' comments from the comment section, so make sure you stay till the end to see if your comment was featured.
To have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say.
So since it's a lot colder now that it's winter officially here in Arizona, I do like to have a couple of different throw blankets on the bed. It's been keeping us nice and toasty along with these flannel sheets that everyone is loving. It really just makes the bed really warm and cozy, and even my husband's happy, so I know I did it right. So I really enjoy when Ava's home when I film because she often helps me with cleaning and decorating, and I just love it because I'll have these memories in the video where she's helping me at such a young age. It's so cute and so sweet.
All right, you guys, so I went ahead and added the bows to this garland, and I don't know if I'm going to keep the bows on there, to be honest with you. I love the garland, the greenery over the bed, but I think the bows might be too much. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'll leave it up for a couple days, kind of see how it is. I do like touches of red in there, but maybe if it was like berries or something instead of bows, or maybe just leave the green. Let me know what you think.
Okay, I was so out of breath there, you guys. It's kind of embarrassing. But I wanted to keep it in there because I wanted to show you how I originally added the bows. And then I ended up taking them down. Obviously, you'll see that in the video. But now I kind of regret it because when I look back, I'm like, it's kind of cute. But I want to hear your guys' thoughts.
I don't know what he's thinking when he'd rather spend his Christmas holiday with someone else. I guess he stopped thinking about me. Yeah. I don't know what he's thinking when he says that he's been driving all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. But he's not here.
So now we're headed back to my bathroom, and I'm just adding a little bit of touches of Christmas in here. It's just the perfect amount for me, not too much, but just to show that it is Christmas, it is the holidays, and it's festive in there.
And I'm not there. I don't know what he want now, but I don't care. Yeah.
So now that we made it to Ava's room, we're going to go ahead and pick everything up, throw away some stuff, put everything back in its space, and kind of declutter it a little bit, and then give it some touches of Christmas in here.
Oh, ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure.
So we will be filming a video where we declutter Ava's toys. This is something we do every single year before Christmas because she will get new toys and we need to make space for that. Anything that she doesn't use or play with in like 6 months or more, we just end up donating them. So sometimes Remy does come in and sleep on the floor in Ava's room, and we don't mind him doing that, but he sheds a lot of hair. So what I like to do is just go ahead and pick up the carpet and just shake it out really well so all the hair and everything will fall on the ground, and then I can vacuum her carpet. So Ava did go ahead and tell me that she wanted to put the Christmas tree right here on her table and add the bows. So this was actually her idea, so that's what we're doing here. A fun fact, if you don't follow my Instagram, you probably haven't heard this, but Ava actually makes her bed in the morning every day when she wakes up on her own. This is actually something that Isaiah, my oldest, started when he was like 5 years old. So it's just really ironic that she does it too. I didn't tell her she has to do it, but she obviously seen how we try to make our bed almost every day when we wake up. I think it is so cute and I'm just so proud of her. So this is the kids' bathroom. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up a little bit, but my oldest, he does have the responsibility of cleaning his bathroom, which he does clean this bathroom about every 1 to 2 weeks. So I'm just kind of wiping down everything before I decorate it.
Decorations, wanna greet old Santa Claus when he arrives. Let the reindeer see the light of every Merry Christmas. This year.
So again, I'm just adding a few touches of Christmas in this bathroom. I also added a few other things to the house. So you will see the full decorated house and the home tour coming up very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning motivation plus decorate video. I hope you got inspiration or just had a good time here on my channel. Please comment down below and say hi. Let me know if you're new, introduce yourself, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.